Okay. Hi and welcome. Can I have a quick plus one if I'm visible as well as equally audible? Let me check. Okay. Hi and welcome. Can I have a quick? Okay. I'm visible. We would wait for just 1 minute so that everyone joins. Okay. Aniket Patil, thank you. Prajwal Ghoda, thank you. Thanks a lot. We would just wait for 1 minute so that everyone just joins. I hope everyone joins. I seriously pray that. Okay, 3 people have joined. Thanks a lot. I hope more people have joined. Should join. We would just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Ajay Panjal, hello. Hello, Ajay Panjal. Okay. Okay, 4 people have joined. I won't do it if I wait. That won't be just justice to the 4 viewers. Okay. So we have already discussed what we would we do in different scenarios. Whenever we would come across 0, we would increment low and high both, and 1 mid plus 1, and then when we would get 2, we would simply swap. But I told that I made a bug in the explanation. I left a small part for you to figure it out. Okay, but I didn't get any reply. What is the thing that is to be figured out? I am telling you. Okay, suppose this is a 0 itself, this is a 0, so we know that the lows down would contain the elements either 2 or 1, not 0. Why not 0? Because if it was 0, then the low would be अब आगे आ जाता लो, और हमने क्या किया है कि लो के लेफ्ट में 0 होगा. We want that. So what would we do is we would swap low and mid. Okay, and then we would swap the low and mid and see closely. If we swap the low and mid, that would be 0 swapped with 0, and that won't affect us, and the low would now be at this position and mid also would be at this position. Okay, and that would is our complete solution. So now we would do a quick revision of what we have learned. Okay, so now the revision is we would initialize 3 pointers. Low, when the left of low would be 0, and then the mid, which would be between the element, and the high, which would be on the right, and the high's right would contain 2 elements, not 2 elements, the element 2. Okay, and now while iterating the mid from low to high, there might be 3 conditions only. 3 conditions are, it might be 0, it might be 1, it might be 2. 3 conditions only. Now what would we do in different scenarios? I'm telling you. Thanks a lot for the 6 people joining right now. Uday Kaushik, thank you so much. Can I have a quick plus one from everyone? And can you please increase the like counter of this video? Okay, I see that there are 9 people joining. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. I didn't knew that I can make a difference actually. Thanks a lot. Seriously, thanks a lot. Even 9 people is a very great figure. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, so now we are incrementing the low and the mid, and then we need to swap the things only. Okay, Saurabh, you came. Thanks a lot, Saurabh. Welcome. Okay, it won't happen from tomorrow. Okay, so mid. Actually, the thing is that now is the monsoon days, na? Monsoon days have arrived, and the weather climate would affect the internet condition, and the live doing the live takes a more internet connection because my preview screen is also streaming. Preview screen is also playing the video. I am streaming from my laptop. It takes a very big consumption. So even if the internet goes little bit down also, then the stream gets ended. That's why. Please bear with me. From tomorrow we would have a manual cutoff. That won't help problem you. Okay. So now we are. Thank you, Uday. Okay, Uday also came. Okay. So now we are swapping the high. So same here, electricity is so unstable. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem here due to climate. Okay, so we are swapping the high and we are swapping the high minus 1. So can we move to the implementation now, or anyone wants a revision, or anyone didn't understood a single part? Okay, so I would be waiting for 1 minute. Tell me if I can move to the implementation or not, because moving to the implementation should be the last step. Okay, all the explanation should be wrapped up before that. Okay, so tell me if you want any place where if you want anything to be explained again, or if you didn't understood a single part, I would explain you again. Okay, so tell me, just let me know. Okay, a quick +1 would also do. Just a quick +1 from your side, and I would be able to move forward with the implementation. Okay, 12 people joined. Okay. The number of likes is only 6. Can you please increase the like counter to 12? At least the number of live viewers. Okay, I would be very much happy. Ankita also came. Thanks a lot. Sir, if we have more than 3 different numbers, can we use this approach? Okay, I don't think you would be able to use that approach, because Dutch national flag algorithm, as far as I remember, Dutch national flag algorithm has only 3 colors. So can we use this in more than 3 numbers? I don't know, but as far as I can figure it out, the implementation would be very much problematic. Okay, why? Because we are keeping a low and a high, and we are moving the mid. And if you have two pointers in between, if we have 4 figures, then if we have 2 pointers in between, which to move where, it would be a very difficult position, and the most simple way would be doing the counting sort only. Okay, and that would be of 2 iterations only, because if we have 2 pointers and low and high this side, and 2 pointers doing here and here, it is better to use the counting sort, which would be using 2 iterations. Okay, as far as I know. I don't know, because I have not implemented it. I never gave a time to think. I just told you what came randomly in my head. Okay, I don't know what I am true or not. It might be the case that I am wrong. At the end, I am also human. Can I move to the implementation now? Can I have a quick +1 from at least 1 or 2 people, so that I can move to the implementation? Please. I'm not able to move to the implementation. Just let me know. Okay. Okay, I waited for 2 minutes, but nobody told me. Aniket, okay, hi. Okay, I received 2 +1. Thanks for the +1. Now we would move to the implementation. Thanks a lot, Saurav. Thanks a lot, Ankita. Thanks a lot, Aniket. Okay, so we are initializing low with 0, mid with 0, and high with n-1, as I have told. Now now how much we would iterate? Till mid is less than equal to high itself. So if A-mid is we are first swapping, then we are incrementing both the things. Ajay, thank you, Ajay. Thank you, Ambika. Okay, sir, please implementation. Thank you. We don't need to say please. Okay. I'm at the correct position. I just need to move forward. I have done my part for this position. Okay, I'm done my part for this position. I would just move ahead. This is the condition we are doing, that just incrementing the mid, because it might be the case that the value on the mid needs to be revised. Okay, that's why I have commented it. So it is a proper note that might need revision. The value might need a revision. That's why we are keeping it the same way. Okay, but we are decrementing the value of height. Okay, so that's all for today. I would be again waiting for 1 minute. If you have any doubts, general doubts also, or if you have any doubts, like if you want any type of career guidance, whatever you want to know, whatever you have any problem, certain general doubts related to coding, you can ask me. I would be there for 1 more minute, and after that I would be turning this session off. Okay, so please tell me if you are good to go. Okay, so now Vika, thanks a lot for attending the session, and even the people who were there in the first part, who are seeing after, who have realized after that this is the second part, no problem, but thanks for being in the first part also. Thanks a lot. Okay, so I have successfully waited for 1 minute. I don't think there is any doubt, and as the live stream is a little bit delayed one, so I would be again waiting for 5 to 10 minutes, so 5 to 10 seconds also. Okay, so I don't think I have missed anything. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Most welcome, Saurav.